ancient ways, following paths that lead astray. What made you choose the simpler route, the truth you seem to live without? Your hands move slow against the flow, the sacred art you'll never know. The elders weep at what you've done, standing guard at wisdom's gate, watching faith deteriorate. Your choice has sealed your fate. The time has come to demonstrate. Rise up, your hands betray your faith. Stand strong, the call will lead the way. Fight on, your sins cannot remain. The truth shall break your chains. What is right? Your crib reveals your inner plight. These plastic tools corrupt your soul, while true believers keep control. The ancient texts show just one path. Now feel the weight of righteous wrath, of righteous wrath. The holy order must prevail. Standing guard at wisdom's gate, watching faith deteriorate. Your choice has sealed your fate. The time has come to demonstrate. Rise up, your hands betray your faith. Stand strong, the cure will lead the way. Fight on, your sins cannot remain. The truth shall break your chains. Prophecy foretold this day, when false believers lose salvation. Wait for those who change. Rise up, your hands betray your faith. Stand strong, the cure will lead the way. Fight on, your sins cannot remain. The truth shall break your chains.